How to clear cache on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can clear cache on Android. For this, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. A list of all the apps on your device is going to open over here. Now, if you want to clear cache of any of these applications, you simply want to tap that application. Then you want to tap on the storage option. Now here you have two options, clear data and clear cache. If you tap on clear data, all of your data of that application is going to be deleted and you will have to again log into your respective accounts. If you only want to clear cache, then tap on the clear cache option. Once you do that, the cache will be cleared. You can do this manually for any other applications available over here. Now, if you don't want to one by one select the application and clear cache, then a simple way is to tap on battery and device care option. Then over here, you want to tap on the optimize now option. Once you optimize it, your cache will be automatically cleared of all the application. If you don't want to clear cache with these settings, then you can also download any third-party applications as well. You can head over to Play Store and then download applications such as CCleaner. And with these applications, you can clear your cache. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.